Hi, Hugh here from Day Trade Spy. So I was asked actually a number of times, what exactly are we going to get on this webinar tomorrow, this workshop, the Fundamental Analysis and Emotional Flow workshop? I said, well, let me tell you. We're going to talk about how fundamental analysis and emotional flow is going to affect your trading, but I also have a little something up my sleeve. Now, I'm going to be forthright with you right here, 100%. All right, it's a strategy that I'm going to talk about. I've never talked about this before. I've done some pretty good back studies on this. But folks, I want you to get on board with this. This is your last chance. This is my last video to you to talk about this tomorrow. All right, we have our Fundamental Analysis and Emotional Flow workshop, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. You have until 9 a.m. to register, all right, and get this workshop. After that, the cart closes. You won't be able to get online. And I don't really want to see you miss on this. Please click the link in this email and register, and we'll see you tomorrow.